Welcome back to Fractions Explained. This one is simplifying fractions. We're going to look at how to take a fraction and write it in a neater, smaller form, without changing what it actually means. Simplifying a fraction means rewriting it, so the numbers are as small as they can be, while still representing exactly the same amount. Think about it this way. A half and 4/8 are identical. They both describe the same portion, but a half is the simplified version. The numbers are smaller, the fraction is cleaner, and it's much easier to work with. That's all simplifying is, expressing the same value in a neater way. Here's the process. You find a number that divides into both the top and the bottom of the fraction, without leaving any remainder. Then you divide both by that number. If you can still divide again after that, do it. Keep going until there's no number left that goes cleanly into both. At that point, the fraction is fully simplified. There's a faster way to do this. It's called the highest common factor, the HCF. The HCF is the largest number that divides exactly into both the top and the bottom. If you use it straight away, you only need to divide once and the job is done. No building up in smaller steps, no checking multiple times. Find the biggest number that fits both. Divide once, finished. It's worth understanding why this works. When you divide both parts of a fraction by the same number, you're applying the same operation to each side. The relationship between the numerator and the denominator stays exactly the same. It's the same idea behind equivalent fractions. The numbers look different, but the proportion is unchanged, so you're never losing anything when you simplify. You're just writing the same amount in a smaller form. Let's work through 6/9. Start by finding the HCF. What's the largest number that goes into both 6 and 9? 6 can be divided by 1, 2, 3, and 6. 9 can be divided by 1, 3, and 9. The highest number they both share is 3. Divide both by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 6/9 becomes 2/3. Do 2 and 3 share any factor other than 1? No. So we're fully simplified and done. Simplified fractions come up all the time, not just in the classroom. When you're adding fractions, comparing them, or working with them in any calculation, having them in their simplest form makes everything more manageable. In everyday situations, splitting something between people, following a recipe, working out a share, simplified fractions are what we naturally think in. They're quicker to read and quicker to reason with. The mistake that catches most people is stopping too soon. You divide once, the numbers look smaller, and it feels finished. But it might not be. Take 8/12, divide by 2, and you get 4/6. That's simpler, but 4 and 6 both still divide by 2. Do that, and you arrive at 2/3, which is the fully simplified version. After every step, ask yourself, is there still a number that goes into both the top and bottom? If yes, you're not finished yet. Here's a quick summary. Simplifying a fraction means writing it with the smallest numbers possible. You divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number. The highest common factor is the most efficient way to do it. One step, done. The value of the fraction never changes. And always check that you've fully simplified. Don't stop at the first step if both numbers can still be divided further. That's simplifying fractions done. Coming up next is fractions of an amount explained. Follow the channel so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching.